Three Gorges Dam, I would like to tell you something about how a dam works. So we can see in the picture over here, this is a dam picture. Dam is like a kind of wall on the streaming water, and on the one side of the wall there is a reservoir or the where the water is being stored, and the other side there is the downstream of the river. So we can say river running flowing water. And in the middle of the dam there is a penstock, and through which the water from reservoir to the downstream goes. It is called penstock, and in the penstock there is a turbine which is the
Can you go back? Who was you talking? Sorry.
materials
Okay, right.
that were used in building Three Gorges Dam. So in between the penstock there are used turbines which starts rotating when the water starts flowing from reservoir to the downstream. So with the rotation of turbine, there is a power generator connected through which we can generate electricity, and that can be transferred, and we can use electricity as well. So now I come to Three Gorges Dam. I would like to Three Gorges Dam is the biggest hydroelectric power generating dam in the world. We can say any power generating unit in the world. So it is located in middle of the Yangtze River in China, and it was the contract was signed in 1992, but the construction was started in 1994 and it ended till 2012. And it took almost 18 years to build this dam. It is a huge project, and the cost of this dam was $27 billion. But in fact, the original cost was believed to be much higher than this amount, and it generates 100 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually. Through this production, it breaks all the records of any power generating unit in the world. So, and it is 2.3 kilometers long, and it has 483 meters long spillways, which is also the greatest spillway in any other dam used throughout the world. Spillway is a passage through which extra amount of water can be taken out of the dam through any of you can say gates, or in the case of flood, or if the integrity of dam is compromised. And also it has 34 power generating units through which it generates 100 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually. So now we come to the materials that were used in building Three Gorges Dam. The first material, these are very basic materials, concrete and steel that we use in daily life. First material that I'm going to talk about is concrete. 27.3 million cubic yards of concrete was used in building this huge dam. The two types of concrete which was used, it was HPC and RCC. I'm just going to talk about them in detail next. And also the steel, it was 463,000 tons of steel, which is enough to make almost 43 Eiffel Towers. And three types of steel were used: reinforcing steel, high strength low layer steel, and weathering steel. Earth was moved on the base of the dam so that they can make strong base through putting a lots of rock and on the base of the dam. So I'm not going to talk a lot about this. And here we have concrete. So the first type of the concrete is HPC, high performance concrete. So the materials that are used to create a high performance concrete is cement, water, finer sand, super plasticizer, and silica cement fly ash. Cement is used in this high performance concrete is with less C3A. C3A is tricalcium aluminate, which is used to harden the concrete as soon as possible. Like it can harden the concrete within like minutes. But we, in such a huge project, we cannot use a cement with high amount of C3A, because, for example, if where they are creating the concrete, it is a far away, like half kilometer, 1 kilometer away, where they have to use it. So it will be harder during that time. So they use a cement with less C3A. And then water is a basic component, and finer sand they use, because it can make a good bond with cement. And then superplasticizer, it is used to reduce water to cement ratio. Superplasticizer is a polymer which is from the family of sulfuric sulfanoacid, and it is used